Okay, so so this is another way, another word cloud of things that people apparently found interesting. Okay. May actually change these with the ones that, with the entire one. I don't think it will change too much, but I'll do it anyway. Okay, I have two more things to say. First, who are all the people who attended every one of the classes? Raise their hands. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, it's great to not have to talk to empty halls, and so I really appreciate that. I also wanted to thank, in particular, one person, Tom, who basically, if you ever used a video that was recorded here, it was because he showed up for every class on time. I was thinking how to, repay him. I thought maybe he should do something indirectly by giving an A+, but I thought he would prefer a public acknowledgement much more than an A+. So thank you, Tom. His cinematography is great, in some angles. He took off like 5-6 pounds off me. So, okay, that's one thing. The other two things are basically my ending, my usual ending for this course, which hasn't changed much because the area is still, I believe, in that form. So this basically is at the turn of the century, a bunch of anatomists got together for a conference, turn of last century, 1900, okay? And a guy called Barclay, who was giving the keynote speech, said the following thing about anatomy of the turn of the century, 1900, okay? That anatomy may be likened to a harvest field. There's your harvest field. First come the reapers who, entering upon untrodden ground, cut down great store of corn from all sides of them. These are the early anatomists of Europe, okay? Then come the gleaners who gather up ears enough from the bare ridges to make a few loaves of bread. Such were the anatomists of the last century. So he's already thinking that there was not much left for anatomists of 1800s to do. Last of all come the geese. These are the geese, who still contrive to pick up a few grains scattered here and there among the stubble and battle home in the evening, poor things cackling with joy because of their success. Okay? And then he said, gentlemen, we are the geese. Okay, so he was telling the august anatomists who have gathered in 1900, thinking they're doing great, top quality research in anatomy, that let's all be depressed because there's really nothing much of significance left to do. Because anything of significance was done by people above you, before you. And all we will do is little pieces, and so you don't expect, miracles. You can, congratulate yourself, but not too much is left to do. I find this very interesting because in some sense that's sort of true for many scientific disciplines. Great strides are made, and by the time you take a high school course or a college course, there's not too much you need to learn that because you're part of human race, and not knowing, Newton's law makes you stupid, and so you learn it, right? But then you're not going to change it by the end of the course, right? The thing that's interesting about this course for me, this area for me is really, it's completely full of uncut corn. Okay, so if you are taking the corn analogy from the previous case, and all the corn was cut, apparently that's why people had to pick little leftover grains. Information retrieval, integration, mining, this general area, there's just so much that's still left to be done. Okay, so unlike the anatomy of Barclay's day, where we're still young, it's really, I can remember, things that didn't even exist 2 years back. And every time I teach this course, things have become less important and new things have become more important. Okay, and there's several people who sat in this course just like you, who are working currently in Google, Microsoft, Bing, Amazon, and various other research-related companies, other information technology-related companies. When they show back up, talk to me, they tell me that things that were on midterm are still being added to search engines, certain search engines at any rate. Okay, so pretty much it's that you are very, very close to the edge. Okay? And so in fact, it's not that it's all done and that all you need to do is figure out how PageRank is done, but in fact, you can do a lot more based on the knowledge that you start gaining. And so you have great stores of uncut corn in front of you. And so my advice to you is to go cut some of your own. Okay, just use this as a background knowledge, and don't just repeat what you learned, but solve your own interest problems. Thank you for suffering through the lectures, all the semesters, and it's been great talking to you guys. And I'll see you hopefully in some other times without glaring at each other.
Thank you.